In 2010, Paul the Octopus correctly predicted 8 consecutive matches in the World Cup. In order to make his prediction, his keepers in Germany would present him with food in 2 different plastic containers. The teams in upcoming matches were represented by their country's flag on the box. It seems like a miracle that an octopus could correctly predict the outcome of the World Cup, but how often would you expect to witness a miracle? In his 1986 book, A Mathematician's Miscellany, mathematician John Littlewood crunched some numbers, made some suppositions, and came up with a surprising answer. Let's say that a miracle is a 1 in a million event. And let's assume that people are awake and alert 8 hours a day, so not sleeping and not doing mindless shit. During those 8 hours, let's assume that a person sees or hears one event a second. It could be something super mundane or something super spectacular. So that's just shy of 30,000 events a day. And if all those assumptions are true, you should expect to see a miracle once every 35 days on average. And in the case of Paul the Octopus, if each match was treated like a coin flip, the odds that Paul would correctly predict the outcomes of 8 matches in a row would be 1 in 256. But the World Cup is the most watched sporting event in the entire world. The year Paul made his predictions, at least 1 billion people turned into the final match of the tourney. So the likely explanation is that more than 256 predictors with odd methods, animal or otherwise, were out there doing their thing and Paul just happened to be the lucky one. The same year at one other German zoo, the Chemnitz Zoo, at least 3 other animals were predictors. Leon the porcupine went wrong picking Australia over Germany in the very first round. And Petty the pygmy hippopotamus picked Serbia. And Anton the tamarin picked Ghana over Germany, all going out in the first 3 rounds. So if you think about it like that, miracles are actually just coincidences, and they happen all the time.